So we're currently on our way to Evia to meet our parentals. I'm working, guys! Ew. Ay, hindi nila pwede malaman.
Wala mo naman subscriber ako katrabaho.
It's kind of traffic because there's school today.
No, di naman traffic.
I mean on the other side. Because on this side, it's not traffic. So, fit check. She's wearing something the one that she bought pa sa
2 years ago.
2 years ago. So what's the story? Why you did not wear that after you bought it?
Because I look like a pregnant girl.
Okay, let's see when she's standing. Oh God. Oh God. Work from comfort. Na-surprise daw kasi. Di ba?
Yung mata nga ni Mami, like parang magka-cry.
Magka-cry.
Ba't pag tayo, di mo siya naiiyak?
Ilang regalo na.
Nanong
Yes. Tatampo yan.
ano lang binigay sa kanya.
Yung bunso lang pala magpapaiyak. So, hi guys. We're currently here na sa Evia. And she's calling our mom.
Hindi pa sila papunta.
Saan tayo pupunta, guys? Where are we gonna eat? Hi sis, ba't ganyan? Ba't ganyan yung angle? Ate's favorite bread.
So hi guys, this is Mina kasi this is my vlog. Ewan ko bakit ibang mga mukha ang nakikita nyo kanina. We're here sa Texas Roadhouse. Ito pala. And I'm eating my favorite tinapay. Oh my god. And this one, this is the best. And they also have free peanuts. This is for mom. And that's my sissy. Sila naman ang introduce natin. Busy. Sa lahat na lang ng clip, busy kunwari. No. And this is the other this is the other sister kasi may work siya. Kunyari busy siya dito. Everything works for me daw. We're waiting for the birthday girl.
Can I have
AKA mom. We're waiting for the parents because we're not together. Dito na yung salad. Thank you. We have the salad na kagad. Here are the parents. Happy birthday, Mom!
your beautiful cake?
Naiyak kami dun sa cake.
Then, sa iba siya naiyak na yun.
Ito, ma'am. Bakit ka, ma'am? Kaya ba?
Kaya na yan. Go, Mom!
Malakas pa pala si
Ano na yan? 89 na yan.
Lola, are you ready?
Iha!
Attention Texas Roadhouse, we have a very special guest for today.
Who we got?
We have Mom Gloria and we're celebrating her
80th birthday!
When I say happy, you say birthday. Happy
Birthday!
Happy
Birthday!
Gloria at the count of 3, 1, and New York.
Loudness and proudness, Texas side. Yeah! 1, 2, 3.
Iha! Yay! Happy birthday, Mom!
Yeah.
Yay! Thank you po! Ma'am, taray. May sombrero.
So we're here
at Starbucks.
Evia.
Heavy. We're gonna make tambay here. Diba pulang-pula yung labi ko bigla. Here's our order. Eh. Happy birthday, Mom. Are you happy, Mom? Are you happy? Picture daw niya sa kabayo. Happy birthday, Mom. You say happy birthday to your vlog. Happy birthday. To myself. Ulit. Happy birthday to myself. Me. Ang balis ba distract? Happy birthday to myself muna.
Happy birthday to myself.
So if you notice, guys, we're only 5 because the youngest is not around. He's where, Mom?
Team building.
Ba, ewan ko.
May consent ba yun? Pinanotaryo, di ba? Binasa mo.
Siyempre hindi. Nagbigay ka ng consent, tapos kami tatanungin kung nasaan.
Nasaan? Tapos pinanotaryo pa.
So, saan nga?
Hindi mo in-interview pa? Hindi mo in-interview?
Saan pumunta si
CJ?
CJ?
Kung saan yung team building niya?
Vinti Laguna. Malayo yun.
Ayos yung airport.
Pwede na.
Tapos kami Baguio daw tayo sa linggo balikan.
Sabi ni Tito Richard, sige, basta kayo mag-drive.
50.
Ano ginagawa mo sa mga planner na yan? Akin na lang, di. Wala akong planner this year.
Nice!
Hindi siya nagre-react.
Ano yung dating planner? As in, nag-isa kaming planner. Hindi niya ginamit.
Kaya yung sayang naman.
Yun ang sayang talaga.
Yun na regalo mo sa akin, magpa-birthday na ako. Advance mo na para masulatan ko. Sa pisngi. Alam, may take ka 1, 2, 3, tagalan mo.
Nakakabawas din sa ano yun, di ba? Sa mga...
Sa story? Hindi.
Pa.
Facebook lang naman. Ay, oo pa. Baka
Lumapit ka kami, umabante ka kami.
dito lang siya.
Dito ka.
Dito sa
Sa labas. Labas ka. Yan. Kasi ang liit mo eh.
Pili ka.
Yan. Gets mami, gets mami. Gets mami.
Isi-see all mo. Tapos tatlong
Ah, good. Ano, labas ka lang. Ay. Ay.
Okay.
So guys, we're on our way home na. We're done eating and we're also done tambay sa Starbucks. Ganda dito. Ah, Chinese New Year ba to?
Guys, hindi pa Pasko, hindi pa rin Pasko. Pasko lang yung background namin pero dito December.
Lola Sisi.
So right now guys, we're eating mom's cake na. And it's so beautiful.
Beautiful pa siya na buo.
Yeah, oo nga. And she's so beautiful here.
Ah,
My mom at 67 and
with black
with
hair.
black ay 67 girl. Diba? 67 tapos black haired.
So hi guys.
May closing spiel.
Yeah.
Babay ka ba kay
For the first time in forever, may outro ako.
To be continued pa yan.
Oh yeah, because it's just one event. Yeah, this is
This is
just
a
part
week-long-
1.
Ay, weekend long. Long weekend celebration.
Hindi din sis. Yeah, so this is just part 1 of Mom's birthday celebration because again, the brother is missing.
So we will reveal.
We can found him. Punta kami ng Starbucks kasi we're gonna buy another set of drinks. So Katrina's stickers will be redeemed because she only needs 3 more stickers and she'll get me my planner, and the one who will pay sama natin sa vlog babayaran. Ikaw muna sabi niya
Pang tito.
hindi ko nakita, ang liit eh.
It's the other one of the movie.
Hi guys!
Demure lang. Bawal ang lugin yung code. Babig. Just might get it.
Hey! Hindi pa pala tapos.
Kachow.
Hello, Kacho.
Oo, di ba kachow?
Sabi?
Kachow. What's next?
Ay.
Ay.
Loosen up my buttons, babe, but you keep fronting me. Say what you gon' do to me, I tell you, loosen up my buttons, baby, can't you see? Me? Still? I don't think you know, I'll tell you, loosen up my buttons, babe. What you wanna do? Take the chance to recognize that things could be yours. I don't think you know. I'm telling you, loosen up my buttons, baby. And you keep running. Say what you know.
Saan o order? May choreo.
Loosen up my buttons, babe. 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 Loosen up my buttons. I'm saying, loosen up my buttons, babe. Si Ate Rich mo.
Ayan, sis ka pala.
I'm telling you, loosen up my buttons, babe. But you keep going. Si Ate Rich.
Ayun, yun! Yan, beep. Hindi nyo alam yan.
Wow. It's funny how man drinks a bata, but I'm a real big heart, but I'm looking at ya. I don't give a, keep looking at my, cause they don't mean a thing if you're looking at my.
Pause.
I'm doing a thing, I'm playing with ya.
Diyan ba?
Malayo pa.
Ayan na.
Okay pa.
Okay, tuloy.
It was the same since up in the 7th grade. They've been trying to get with me, trying to ha. I don't give a, keep looking at my, cause it don't mean a thing if you're looking at my ha. I'ma do my thing while you're playing with ya. Ha.
Paano?
Very good. Bum 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 bum.
Something I don't need.
Girl, hindi ganun.
Sinapian na naman ng Birit Queens.
Tama na. Bye guys! Ito na ang Thank you so
Thank
much
you
for watching this.
Thank
Wait
you,
for our
babe.
part 2. Thank you for. Bye! birthday celebration. It's the part 2 of her birthday celebration. And we are on our way to Padre Pio. It's the sister. And that's mom. We're on the first car. And the father. And on the... Ay, may Padre Pio ba? Padre Pio, Batangas. Ito na may sinabi ko na nga, Padre Pio, Batangas. So, we're on our way to Padre Pio, Batangas. Kasi doon naman kami madalas pumupunta. Kasi yun yung malapit sa amin, guys. Kasi taga-south kami. Yeah. And it was mom's birthday 2 days ago. And we'll celebrate it again because as what we told you 2 days ago, our brother was not with us that time. And today, he's with us with a girl. So yeah, we'll see you there when we're there. So guys, I won't vlog there because that's a church. We need to be respectful. But I'll just show you some clips. But again, I won't vlog, okay? I'll just vlog back when we're on our way to the mall because we're gonna eat. That's the second car. That's them. And this is us. Bye. See you later, guys. Bye. So, hi guys. I'm back and we're almost there. However, it's so traffic. But we're really almost there. As in, malapit na. But, super traffic. Look. See the traffic. So, I hope we can make it to the 11 o'clock mass. But we'll see. The sister is already sleeping. She's tired. Super traffic. But yeah, we're almost there. So just wait and see once we get there. Haba na ng hair ko. Comment down below nga kung gusto niyo akong magpagupit, guys. Comment down below. Okay? Okay, bye.
Yung inukutan natin?
Mga 30 minutes.
Bakit dyan?
Traffic. Ford, tulak mo for the vlog.
Where we are? Where are we?
Here are we.
Here are we. Wala.
Background music.
Wow.
Huwag kang OA, nakakahiya. Tapos nadapa. Sana madapa ka.
Putol ka.
So hi guys, we're going home now. We're done with the church and the lunch and everything. We're done with everything. We're on our way home. So look how fresh I am. Parang kung ano itsura ko nung nag-start yung vlog, ganun pa din.
Wow.
How about you? How about you, Mom? Yeah. How about you?
I'm fine.
Si Job Worms. Si ano? Si tingin sa sapatos.
Dino?
Ikaw, si tingin sa sapatos. Bye guys! We'll see kung saan kami makarating. Bye!
So we're watching Encanto, guys. Bye.
Movie lang to. Movie lang to. Hindi natin ito mapapanaginipan. Kano? Ha? Blue!
8:70 na.
I don't think so. I think you're having another manic episode.
Don't you tell me. You don't know. I feel it. All around.
Can you look at me, please? It's okay. Look at me.
Yes, tingin ka lang. Isa ka lang naman dyan, Gabi mo.
Therapist. Kaso lang, ano ba to? Ano? Walang kasama sa bahay. Paano kung siya yung nag-absorb? Iba ba mo?
Yun ay nakangiti tong ina.
Ayun na. Yung babae. Siya nga. Ayun na nga ito siya nilawala. Ayun na nga ito
Rose.
Kasama pa rin.
Whoa.
Kasi naman matagdilim sa bahay.
guys for watching Smile. And we're having so much fun. And we have Cinnabon. Thank you, sis. One more.
Wait na.
Smile sa smile. Nakakatakot ka! Kaya ko yun eh.
Patingin.
Tingin ka sa akin.
Parang buong mukha, bibig.
Are you alone in the house, ma'am?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Oo nga. Tapan mo ka pa eh.
What? Are you sure you haven't let something inside, Rose?
Ang ginagawa niya. Ano yun? Kasi magsara ka ng pinto. Oo nga. Pwede din mag-search ng umaga.
Magbukas ng pinto ay magbukas ng ilaw. Sis, baka masipang mo.
Wala na, di na ako pwede iwanan mag-iwas sa bahay.
Wala.
Wala. Nakikisabay.
Nakikisigaw.
May mag-trigger na sa likod.
Searching the weakest link. Game on. Yeah. Let's go. Asan ako? Ako si Blue. Yes. Tapos, rice, saing, yung green, kunin mo yan. Uy, paano? Yan. Yung kanin. Yung kanin matatapon, no? Wait lang. Ay! Yan. O, yung gano'n na susunod. Ay! Lagay mo din sa green. Ay! Ano nangyayari?
Paano ba ito?
Chop.
Nagugulan ako. Nagigit si ginagawa.
Babe, wala na akong chopping board.
Kaya hindi ko nga nagigits eh.
Hindi, baby, chachop mo pa yan. Kunin mo yung cord. Ikaw ba yung blue? Kunin mo yung... May blue. Lagay mo. Yan! Whee! Saan mo lalagay? Doon, ah.
Din sa may araw-araw. Inasagasa.
Okay, good. Yay!
Hindi ko pa rin nagigits. Wala nga ako yung chop-chop eh.
Ayun yung chachop mo.
Saan mo?
Uy, tanggalin mo yung green. Chop mo yan. Dalawa na yan. Chop mo
Ayun
yan.
ang ayaw.
Wala ko pag serve mo na yan yung green. Serve mo na yan, Ford. Plato. Plato. Sige, may order na din. Wala ko. 6 pesos lang kita.
Ang hirap hindi ko nagigits.
260 kailangan natin. 6 pesos lang na benta na.
Habang pangalina.
Wait lang yung madali
Okay
muna.
lang.
Hindi.
Hindi, babe, madali na yun.
Madali ba yun?
Kukuha ka dito ng green, kukuha ka ng kanin, magluluto ka kanin. Dito yung mga chicken, dito yung fish. Tapos magcha-chop ka dito.
Yung ano.
Basahin mo kasi ka naman sa taas. Makikinig ka naman sa taas.
Hindi na nagugulan niya ako eh. Paano? Wait lang.
Ito yung green.
yung gulo.
Oo nga.
Kasi naka 248 na sila. Dito babe yung green, pati kanin. Tapos
Ayaw.
yung card, green rice, yung green. Tapos ito, chachap ko.
Ay, pala eh. Ito pala oh.
Yan nga. Kaya nga. O, tapos lagay mo dito babe. Ito may green na. Hindi. Tama. Rice na. O, lagay mo rice. Lagay mo na doon. Iluto mo rice. Uy, nasusunog. Yan. O, magluluto ulit ako. O, ako na kukuha ng chicken sa kabila. Bigay niyo yung order.
Ano ba yan?
Siya na daw, pero nagpakamatay.
I need tissue.
Ayun o,
Ay, ito pala.
Ilagay mo yan. Serve mo.
Wait lang, mag-uugas lang ako.
Yan, kunin mo yung fish. Ay! Chop, 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 chop. Yan. Lagay sa plato, lagay sa plato.
Alam mo.
Wait lang, sir. Ay, serve na, sir.
Ay, serve.
Ay, shrimp. Yung shrimp yan. O, chop mo lang, chop mo lang.
Babe, dalian mo.
Chop mo lang.
Ah, chop.
Pagkaluto ng kanin ni Bella, ni Carl.
Ilagay na yan, ilagay na yun. Carl, ilagay na yan.
Yan yung chinap mo, Bella.
Ilagay mo yung chinap mo na pink. Yan. Ilagay mo dyan. Yan, o, serve mo, serve mo.
Pasagasa.
Ikaw na ba?
Yung tatawid, kalmado lang eh. Tayo yung tumili. Tugas ka ba plato? Uy, may plato.
Ito yung katabi sa sarili. Yan. Di ba na? Usap lang ka next time.
Kinaman ng tao.
Andun pala kung ano na. Ay,
Oo, cucumber. All this time, di ka nag-chopper. Di maluto. Paano alisin yung kanin? Ano yan?
ito, finisher.
Talagyan mo kanin. Ay, kanin ba? Ay, may slime na.
Lapat mo yan, Bella. Lapat mo yan. Tinapon!
Ay, wala.
Ay, sayang. Nilagay niyo dun. Yung shrimp na lang, Bella. Yung shrimp lang. Yung shrimp lang. Yan. Isagay mo sa plato. Ay, yan, yan. Oh, serve. Fish. Manaan? Si Kat-Kat tsaka si ate. Mayapang kayo, di ba? Labat mo nilagay ka, wala ng shrimp. Ate, sayang yung kanin.
Sis, ba't ganyan yung tsura? Di ba yung tsatsa pa yan?
Tayo na dapat yan eh. Plato, wala tayong plato.
Ang mawash.
Ako na.
Ah, ang yabang.
Beat that.
Ano yung NNR sa taas?
287. Ay, 287 kami, guys. Kesa sa 90 pesos.
Alam yung... Eh, kasi first time. Eh, isa pa. Bigyan niyo kami isa pa. Kasi may mga tumatawid na numula.
Biglang naglalagay sa plato. Tabi ko lang.
Iiwaan na lang ikaw na maglagay sa
Basta
plato.
ako nasa gulay.
Pag ito, hindi na sunod.
Gulay? Cucumber lang naman.
Wow.
Fish, please. Fish, please.
Antay ka.
Nasa yung fish ko. Fish ka lang.
Isa-serve na lang yung sihe.
Wala. Hindi nila masaserve yun. 30 seconds na lang, oh. Wala.
Nakikita mo.
248 kami, guys. Guys, 248 kami. Blah, blah, blah.
Sis, serve mo na kasi 211!
Nagbe-breakdown.
Kasi ito pinapansin yung score namin. Na-pressure tuloy ako.
Dali! Serve! 248 kami!
Tayo.
Fish na lang, fish. Ayan na! Dali, chop! Plato!
Walang plato.
ako.